Right now, inside your body, something is happening that you can't see. Every step you take is sending thousands of tiny messages through your muscles, your blood, and even your brain. Most people think walking only burns a few calories while they're moving. They imagine the benefits stop the moment they sit down. But that's not what your body is really doing. After 21 days of consistent walking, something much deeper begins to change. Your body starts rewriting the way it creates and uses energy. And once that process begins, the story inside you is no longer the same. Because what happens next is happening in places most people never think to look. Think of your metabolism like a city filled with factories, connected by highways. Every factory needs fuel, every road carries supplies, and every traffic signal decides where energy should go next. Your body isn't trying to make things difficult. It's trying to keep that entire city running safely. Every daily walk is like sending a quiet message to the control center. Movement is part of life now. At first, your body listens carefully. Then, little by little, it begins changing the way the entire system works. But here's the part most people miss. During the first few minutes of every walk, your muscles ask for quick energy. Sugar, already floating in your bloodstream, becomes the easiest fuel to use. Blood flow increases, your heart pumps a little stronger, and oxygen begins reaching places that have been sitting quietly for hours. These aren't dramatic changes, they're tiny signals. Yet your body pays attention to every one of them. This is where it gets interesting. As those daily walks continue over days and weeks, your cells stop treating movement like an unexpected event. Instead, they begin preparing for it. Imagine adding more workers to every energy factory inside your muscles. Those workers are tiny structures called mitochondria, the parts of your cells that turn fuel into usable energy. Your body quietly starts making them more efficient. This is where most people stop, but this is where it starts. Around the third week, many of those small improvements begin working together. Your muscles become better at pulling energy from both sugar and stored fat. Blood vessels become more efficient highways, delivering oxygen with less effort. Hormones that help regulate blood sugar begin communicating more smoothly. Your body isn't simply burning energy anymore. It's learning. And this changes everything. Even after your walk ends, those conversations continue. Your cells keep repairing themselves. Muscles become slightly more sensitive to insulin, making it easier to move sugar out of your bloodstream. Your metabolism isn't working harder, it's working smarter. That's one reason researchers consistently find that regular walking improves metabolic health, insulin sensitivity, and cardiovascular function over time. Not because one walk changes everything, but because hundreds of tiny adaptations quietly add up. Most people misunderstand this process. They think fat loss is about forcing the body to obey. But you're not fighting your body, you're teaching it. Every consistent walk tells your internal systems that movement is normal, energy should be managed efficiently, and resources can be used differently than before. Now imagine the opposite. If movement rarely happens, your body simply adapts to that pattern instead. It becomes more protective with energy, less efficient at using fuel, and slower to respond when activity finally returns. It isn't being stubborn. It's responding to the signals it receives every day. After 21 days of walking, the biggest transformation isn't visible in the mirror first. It's happening inside the invisible network that controls your metabolism. Tiny adjustments in muscles, blood vessels, hormones, and cells begin working together like a city whose traffic finally starts flowing smoothly. That's the real power of consistency. Your body isn't broken. It's constantly rewriting itself based on what you repeatedly ask it to do. Walking isn't just exercise. It's a signal. And over time, your body learns to answer that signal with greater efficiency, better balance, and a metabolism built to support the life you're creating. So here's something to think about. If your body is always listening to your daily habits, what message have you been sending it lately? Let me know in the comments what surprised you most about what happens inside your body after 21 days of walking.